The Toyota Mini Camper Van combines practicality with adventure-ready features, making it a top choice for travelers seeking a compact, reliable vehicle for on-the-go living. This van caters to people looking for a flexible, fuel-efficient option that offers the essentials of a camper without the bulk of a larger RV. Toyota's reputation for dependability shines through in the Mini Camper Van's design, ensuring that you're ready for any journey, whether it's a weekend escape or an extended road trip. This Mini Camper Van balances space and functionality, giving travelers a cozy interior with enough room to include sleeping quarters, storage, and basic amenities. Many models come equipped with a fold-out bed that turns the main cabin area into a sleeping space for two. With intelligent storage solutions like under-seat compartments and overhead bins, there's ample space to pack essentials without feeling cluttered. Some models even include a compact kitchenette, featuring a small sink, a portable stove, and space for a mini fridge, allowing you to cook on the go without needing additional outdoor setups. For anyone concerned about fuel efficiency, the Toyota Mini Camper Van is built to perform with impressive mileage compared to larger RVs. Its compact engine and lightweight frame allow it to maneuver easily in city streets and winding roads, making it a breeze to drive and park. Unlike traditional RVs that can feel cumbersome in tight spaces, this camper van handles more like a car, offering a more versatile experience. It's also equipped with modern safety features like lane departure alerts, adaptive cruise control, and advanced braking systems, providing peace of mind when exploring new destinations. The interior of the Toyota Mini Camper Van often feels more spacious than you'd expect, thanks to clever design choices that maximize every square inch. For example, fold-out tables and collapsible seating areas help make the cabin adaptable to different needs, like dining, lounging, or sleeping. Many models offer panoramic windows or a sunroof, giving the cabin an open and airy feel and connecting you with nature. Some vans even come with options for solar panels, allowing travelers to stay off-grid and keep essential devices powered without relying on external hookups. The Toyota Mini Camper Van also shines in terms of adaptability. Owners can customize it to suit their lifestyle and needs. Whether you're a solo traveler needing a simple setup or a couple who wants a few more comforts, the van can be outfitted with additional accessories. Popular upgrades include roof racks for carrying bikes or kayaks, upgraded insulation for colder climates, and enhanced sound systems for entertainment on the road. The van's versatile design also allows you to add awnings or tents, extending the living area when parked at campsites. In addition to comfort and convenience, the Toyota Mini Camper Van is built to last, with Toyota's durable engineering ensuring that your vehicle remains reliable for years to come. It's a solid investment for anyone wanting a go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle that's ready to take on adventure. As the market for compact campers grows, the Toyota Mini Camper Van continues to lead with its thoughtful design, fuel efficiency, and adaptability, making it a top pick for anyone looking to explore the world with the freedom and flexibility only a camper van can offer.